What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video here on your girl's channel. All right, so we got something totally different for you guys today. So I have been on this weight journey for over a year now. I've been at the gym constantly. Every day I'm off, I'm at the gym. If I'm not at the gym, I work out at home as much as possible. And I started doing this challenge. It's called the Chloe Ting challenge. She gets millions of views all the time with her challenges and her flat belly stuff. So we are now in September. I started this journey in August, so it's been a whole month since I've been following her videos and doing it every single day, girl. But before I get into that, my results and my thoughts and all that good stuff, let me just roll you back to a clip when I first started this journey. So roll that clip. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video here on your girl's channel. So today I'm doing something totally different from what I normally do. I'll tell you guys, well, I don't really portray it on my channel, but I do work out as much as I can. I at least go to gym 2 to 3 times a week on my days off. I have been consistent with it for a very long time, and to me, I am not seeing the definition and the abs and the flat stomach and everything that I basically want to see for myself. So I think I have to be a little bit more consistent, because I feel like a lot of people who has toned, nice, perfect shaped bodies go to the gym every day, and I can't do that. Okay, after work I'm so tired, and then sometimes I try going after work and the gym is just so crowded. It's just a major turn off for me if I'm at the gym and there's so many people using every machine that you possibly have. You try and do abs and ground, people walking over you. I'm just like, bruh. She said it's guaranteed to flatten and tone your stomach within 30 days, and that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be working out 10 minutes per day. I'm going to show you guys now how my stomach looks. A little bit about my background. As you guys can see, my stomach area is not flat. For the goal that I was going for, I wanted to be in the average for my height. Like for my height, I think I was supposed to be 130 and above. Right now I'm currently 135, which is good, but it's not that good. I do want to tone up a lot more, but I'm in the process of gaining weight. But before, when I was doing it the unhealthy way, is that I used to eat at all different times a day. I used to eat whatever I could eat. I didn't really care, because at the point in time I wasn't really gaining much weight. But the thing is, with my genetics, my beautiful genetics, our family gained weight in our arms and in our stomachs a lot. So you guys need to know, if you're trying to gain weight, know exactly where your family genetics come from, because there's most likely gonna happen to you. Some people gain weight in their thighs, some people gain weight in their hips, their butts. They lived a good life. Okay, I wasn't living that good life. So as you guys can see from the clip, my stomach was a little bit, but it needs to be. All right, we trying to get it to that goal. I literally did that ab challenge every single day. If I couldn't make it to the gym, I would do it at home. I literally did it at home. I did it at my fiance's house. I did it at the gym. Everywhere that I worked out, every single day, wherever I'm at, I change really quickly and do this 10-minute workout. The good thing about it is that it's just literally 10 minutes. So as soon as I get home from work, I don't really eat anything. I just go straight into working out. 10 minutes wouldn't really hurt. I am thirsty. Woo! To be quite honest, working out is a lot of mental work as well. Like, you really have to push yourself to work, especially if you're not used to working out every single day. Then it's definitely something you need to force yourself to do. So the fact that, you know, it was just 10 minutes alone, I was like, I can do this. But even though it's just 10 minutes now, all right, just because it was 10 minutes was difficult. Okay, I had the hardest time, all right, the hardest time working out that first 10 minutes, because it was like back to back to back to back. I'm like, girl, as soon as I open my water bottle, I'm like, bruh, the next workout already started. I had to be pausing that video too many times. Like, that happened to me for the first week and a half. After that, my body started getting used to it, and I was like really pushing myself. I'm like, okay, I need to get these goals, because at the end of the day, I really wanted a flatter stomach and I want to tone my stomach. I want abs, okay? There's no doubt about it. Like everybody else, I want abs. So I really wanted to tone my stomach as much as I can. So I really pushed myself for the 3 other weeks that I had left of this training, and that's why I think I got the results that I got. So as you guys can see, with the results that I got, it was bomb.com. Okay, my stomach is much flatter than it was before, like extremely flatter than it was before. I feel more comfortable wearing my crop tops and all that tight little cute clothes, even though summer is over. But you know, we're in Florida, so summer don't really over here in Florida. So I do have more of a defined upper ab area. I think that's the easiest for people to build their abs, and you know, you really see it tone up in that area. But the lower part of my abs, of course, need a little bit more working on, but it's definitely flatter than it was from before. Okay, during the process of me going from day 1 to the last day, it was really hard because at the end of the day, I really do get bored with working out. Like, it's really hard for me to continuously do the same exercises over and over and over. So every once, like maybe once a week or so, I will change up her workouts. I will still do the 10 minutes workout, but I'll do a different 10-minute workout routine. A lot of her videos though with the abs, it has very similar exercises, but maybe in shorter circuits or faster circuits, so you need to just keep up with it. So a lot of the exercises that she did in the monthly video, she also did in the 2 weeks video. So I was going back and forth with that. So I did the 2 weeks video at least 3 times. So just mix it up a little bit because my mental state was like, ugh, this again. But I really wanted a goal, so I really pushed through. And then the music she played, and just, you know, how she spoke and everything, was like so much easier to work with, because I don't know, like I kind of need that. I'm like that person that need that push, especially with the abs. Like, to me, I get so bored with abs, like constantly. I didn't want to skip any days, okay? And if I did skip one day, I think I skipped 2 days actually. I did 2 circuits the next day, so I worked out for 20 minutes. I don't know if that helped anything, but in my mind it helped. Okay, I don't know what to tell you, but it helped. So overall, I think the process did work. I see the results. I love the results. I'm able to, you know, show my stomach a little bit more for my weight and my height. I did cover it up a lot before because I wasn't comfortable in my skin, but now I'm feeling much more comfortable. Like it's so crazy how when you finally see those goals, you actually, like, you know, you want to post stuff, you want to show people like, hey, this actually works. Yeah, I don't normally show like videos and pictures of me working out in the gym, but I show a clip of my app because, you know, it worked. Okay, I was feeling myself. I don't normally feel myself, but I was feeling myself in that gym that day. Okay, girl. So Chloe Ting, thank you so much for showing these videos. Like, you know, it's just the smallest things that works. So if you guys did like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I am going to try the 2-week challenge because I want those toned, super sculpted abs. I suggest doing it because, girl, all these lights. And why am I wearing a long sleeve shirt? Like, what the heck? I'm like sweating. Can you guys see me sweating? So if I haven't answered any questions that you guys wanted to know, leave in the comments down below and we could, you know, communicate through there. Also, if you guys have any other YouTubers that you love, that you actually follow their workout, their ab workout in particular, and it works, let me know as well, because I'm always looking to change up my ab routine ever so often. I am though gonna try her 2-week sculpting, toning ab videos. I could knock that out. Okay, I enjoy the back to back. Like, if I'm working out in the gym, I'm always doing a superset because I get so bored so quickly. I just need to go and go. So stay tuned for that video, and I really do appreciate each and every one of you guys that watch this video all the way to the end, and I shall see you guys in my other video. Peace.